How to create a demo account in FxPro. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're getting started with FxPro and want to create a demo account, which is honestly one of the smartest first step, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open FxPro app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom from the home page and you'll see two different options under trading accounts, that is real and demo. Tap on demo and click on create demo account underneath the demo option. Now, click on the continue with the raw plus demo option and on the next page, select your account currency, your account's leverage, initial demo balance you want for your demo account. Now, choose between the netting or hedging option under execution method. If you're just starting, then you can go with the netting option, which is less confusing and easier to manage. If you want to experiment more, you can try hedging option. And finally, click on create account at the bottom. If you want to use an external terminal with this account and create your own trading password, check this square box at the bottom and create a password. I'm just going to create a password. Now, once you're done, click on create demo account. Now you have successfully opened up a demo account. By creating a demo account, you have a chance to learn how trading works. You can always switch later once you understand things better. So there you have it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.